All right, welcome to the 4th annual Comal ISD Algebra Bowl.
Yes, and for one team, it's welcome back, I do believe.
That's correct. Today we've got Canyon Middle School against Spring Branch Middle School. And Spring Branch was actually here yesterday. They advanced to play against Canyon today.
And Canyon Middle School, we're going to go through the rules since you're new with us today and make sure that everybody understands how the game rolls, and then we'll get started.
Good.
So first of all, we want to let you have a chance to give a shout out or a cheer. So Spring Branch Middle School, if you'll unmic yourself and do a shout out or cheer or whatever you got going on. Let's hear you.
Spring Branch.
All right.
I think Canyon Middle School maybe top. Let's unmute Canyon Middle School and let's hear you.
All right, go.
Ready to go. So if you'll go ahead and mute all the mics, and we'll go through the process here. There are 3 rounds. Round 1 has 40 questions, and they're worth 1 point.
That's right, and round 2 has 35 questions, but they're worth 2 points each. And then round 3 only has 30 questions, but each one is worth 3 points. So you've got to play throughout all 3 rounds.
Absolutely, because it's anyone's game,
That's
as
right.
we have watched. Each round is 10 minutes long, and within that 10 minutes, you will need to make sure your answer documents are bubbled and that they're dark and neat, but that includes that part of it during the 10 minutes.
And remember, you can use calculators, formula charts, pencils, highlighters, those kind of things. But we are going to ask that you put all cell phones aside, that they're turned off and put away.
And we do give some warnings within our time here. We will give you a 5-minute warning, a 1-minute warning, and then we'll count it down. Just that 1-minute warning is really to make sure you get those answer documents bubbled.
That's right. And so those answer documents, along with all the questions, are with the folder that the campus instructional facilitators have. We have one at each campus, and they're gonna have all the questions and the answer documents. So when you finish, you'll give it back to them so that they can get it scored.
And remember, this is teamwork amongst you as students. Your teachers cannot assist you. The technology facilitators cannot assist you in any way. And in fact, we need to make sure that all cell phones are turned off and are nowhere near the table. So if you have a cell phone on you, you need to go put it in your backpack or put it somewhere else and make sure it's in the off position.
Are there any questions from the students?
Looks like we're ready for round 1.
I think so. So if we can go ahead and make sure we have those envelopes ready for round 1, we'll get a thumbs up from each team once we're ready.
10 minutes on the clock, please.
Okay.
Looks like they're ready to go. So teams, you may begin.
Good luck. Students, this is your 5-minute warning.
Students, this is your 1-minute warning. 1.
All right, pencils down. Time's up for round 1.
Woo, round 1. Go ahead and clean up those questions and get ready for round 2. We'll just jump right in.
That's right.
Do we want to introduce some teachers that are on location?
Sure. We've got at Spring Branch, we have 2 of their algebra teachers, Miss Johnson and Miss O'Connor. I believe I can see Miss Johnson there right now. And then there's the wave. And the instructional facilitators, I know Miss Grell and Miss Powell have both been there helping out. I'm not sure if they're both still there, but they've been there to help out at Spring Branch. Oh, Miss Grell.
Yep. All right, and then at Canyon Middle School, we have Miss Guerrero, the teacher. And I believe I've seen her kind of in and out. Good cheers for her. Way to go.
Appreciate those teachers. Good job, kids.
And then we have Miss Hester, who's been facilitating the process with Algebra Bowl and helping them with technology, I'm sure, throughout the year.
That's right. Okay, once we get the envelopes ready for round 2, let's get a thumbs up. Looks like Canyon Middle is ready.
Looks like Spring Branch Middle School is ready.
All right, 10 minutes on the clock. And you may begin round 2.
Good luck, teams.
Students, this is your 5-minute warning.
Students, this is your 1-minute warning. Five,
4,
3,
2.
1.
All right, time's up. Pencils down.
Get ready for round 3. clean it up, get all those those questions out of the way. Hand over that answer document.
And great, I do believe that we have the scores from round 1, so let's go ahead and see how that stands. Oh, wow.
Ooh, I think it's a nail biter for sure.
39-39. That means each team only missed one of the questions. Very impressive, students.
And remember, round 3, the questions are worth 3 points apiece. The ones you just turned in are worth 2 points. So
That's right.
again, wow, it's a close game.
It's a close one, but it's anyone's game. Okay, once we get everything ready and set up for round 3, let's get right to it. Thumbs up when we're ready.
Looks like Canyon Middle School has all thumbs up.
And thumbs up from Spring Branch. Good. Okay, 10 minutes on the clock. And you may begin round 3.
Good luck.
Students, this is your 5-minute warning.
Students, this is your 1-minute warning. You have 1 minute. Five,
4,
3,
2.
1.
All right, time's up. Put those pencils down.
hand over that answer document for the final scoring. I do believe we have scores from round 2.
Oh, good. Well, let's take a look at those. Oh, my.
Ooh.
Spring Branch 99, Canyon Middle 97.
It is still very close. That looks like we have 2 really good teams matched up here.
That's right. And remember those that last rounds were 3 points, so it's just a 1-question difference.
Traveling trophy.
That's right. So each year, the champion of the Algebra Bowl gets to hold this trophy at their campus. And I believe the last 2 years it has remained at Canyon Middle School. So they've been 2-time champions, so we'll see what happens this year.
Absolutely. I bet it's really hard to hand this over year to year after having it for a while. We do want to remind you we are streaming live, and for that matter, we'd like for you to be able to wave to anyone that might be watching. So this is a moment for you to wave and say,
Hi world.
They won't hear you right now, but you can at least wave at them and tell them hello. Well, you know, we have a long weekend coming up, and I just want to remind the one team that hasn't been with us that there is a 4-day weekend. We have Friday and Monday.
Isn't that nice?
Oh, I can't wait. And, you know, Friday was originally there for a bad weather day that we haven't had to use, and hopefully the rain chances don't increase so that we have to use it beforehand.
That's right. Thankfully, we've had good weather, so we still get to take the day off.
And hopefully we have some good weather today because it is National May Ray Day.
May Ray Day.
May Ray Day. That's what I said. I was like, what does that mean? But ray as in rays of sunshine. So you're supposed to get out there and enjoy the sunshine. And if there's not any today, maybe we'll have some this weekend.
Hopefully so. It's been pretty rainy lately, though.
It has been, but the news has guaranteed us the ability to barbecue on Monday.
Oh, good. That's what we need.
We'll get out there and do some barbecuing. Do you have big plans for the 4-day weekend?
You know, I'm moving into a new house, so I'll probably be doing a lot of work on that. But other than that, I'm hoping to be able to enjoy it a little bit.
New move to a new home, that's always fun. I think we have to do yard work.
Oh.
Yeah, well, and we live pretty close to the river, and we'll maybe take the dogs down there and let
Good.
them splash around a little bit.
Good. Well, I know that you're all anxious. We're waiting on those final scores. We should have them any minute now. But we certainly appreciate all the work that you've done, and you know, your teachers are a big part of the reason why you're here. And so maybe you can take a moment to say thank you to your algebra teachers.
You know, and I'd also like to give a special thanks to those folks who work behind the scenes.
Absolutely.
We have some incredible folks in here with us that help connect us to the schools and keep us live streaming. We have Brian Behrens, who's really critical in running everything over there, and Marie Paulus, who's keeping us on our toes. And I believe we have Sean McGee, who is making sure that we are posted live on the Comal website.
That's right. It's right at the front of the website, so everything, you know, anybody can go there and watch this happen as it goes live.
And I'm getting the thumbs up, meaning scores are in. Are you ready for scores?
Drum roll, please.
Oh, look at them. They're eager. They can't even look.
Let's
Good
see
luck.
how it ends. Oh, wow.
Woo,
Spring Branch 183, Canyon Middle
game.
175. Very good.
Congratulations to both teams. I'm Shelly Crawford.
I'm Josh Bricio.
We'll see you in the next round, Spring Branch.